guys, welcome to my channel. Today I have I'm gonna make a wreath for the summer. I have been making wreaths now for myself for like the last year, and I have now a Christmas one, an Easter one. I have a Valentine's one, and I just made one for the summer, and I still have yet to make one for July the 4th and one for Thanksgiving. I want to make one for Thanksgiving, and I want to make one for Halloween. So I think after that, because I do have one for fall that I made last year as well. So I think after that I will be done with my wreaths. But yeah, today I have one that I made for summer. So when I take the one that I have up now, which is my Easter wreath, I'll insert a picture here so you can see in case you didn't see that video. It's really pretty, and if you haven't seen the video, I hope you'll go and check it out. So I'm gonna show you how I made my summer wreath, but before that I wanted to share with you something that I bought at Amazon. And I saw one of the people that I follow on YouTube, they purchased something like this. I don't know if it was the exact one, but I really liked it. And because I have a garden flag, a little pole outside, which I had bought a garden flag for with two beautiful cardinals, but the weather destroyed it, and it had been up for like a year, so it faded it and it sort of tore the material. So when I saw this unboxing on one of the channels that I watch, I thought, oh my god, I love that. And so I went ahead and I ordered it, and I want to share that with you in case it's something you would be interested in getting as well. So this brings 12 garden flags, and it brings one for all occasions. And so I have one up right now, which is the St. Patrick's one, and I'll insert a picture of that here now so you can see what it looks like. But I'm going to share the other ones with you and give you a little information on them, because I thought this was such a great buy. Material is polyester, and it was only $18.59 for all of this. I'm gonna start with this Happy Easter one. Look at that, how pretty. And this one is gonna go up as soon as St. Patrick's is over. But they are on both sides. So look at the Easter bunny ears and the beautiful butterflies and flowers. Isn't that pretty? Happy Easter. I just love it. For Hello Summer. And they are ready to go to the beach, it seems like, with the beautiful palm trees and the Hello Summer sign. So that's another one. And they have Valentine's. Look how pretty that is. Happy Valentine's Day. So they're really sturdy, and it feels like they are like a water resistant material. And look at the beautiful Hello Spring. Isn't that beautiful and colorful and cheerful? And look at the Happy 4th of July, Independence Day, with the Statue of Liberty and the eagle and the American flag. They have one for Mother's Day as well. Look at that, you guys, with the beautiful box of chocolates and the pink tulips. Happy Mother's Day. The American flag. I love that. Happy Halloween. Isn't that nice? Spooky. Look at the mean eyes. And the ghosts and spider webs and all the bats. Look at this, how pretty. Hello Autumn. The apples and the pumpkins and the fall leaves. One for Thanksgiving. Happy Turkey Day. And finally, last but not least, Happy New Year's and Merry Christmas. Look at that. the little elves and the reindeer and the snowman and Santa with all the presents. Look at that beautiful Christmas tree. So that's it. I wanted to share that with you. It is by the brand BP&Q. It was only $18.59. The flags, I wrote this down so I could tell you, are 12 inches by 18. And they're polyester. And so I thought that that might interest some of you. I am super excited to welcome my new subscribers. Thank you for subscribing. I'm so excited that you did. And thank you to my subscribers that were there from before. If you're just happening across my channel, I hope that you will consider subscribing as well. I will now take you and let's start working on this beautiful summer wreath. And I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Till next time. And these are some of the things I bought at Dollar Tree to make this wreath. I bought this beautiful flowers. They're called amaranthus. And I got 2 bright orange and 1 yellow. I thought those were so different and pretty. And so I'm also going to use 1 bicycle wheel wreath form. I'm going to be using just 1 of these. I'm probably going with a bright orange. And 1 of those beads, paint brushes, some floral foam, some craft sticks. I'm going to use a piece of this wood I got at Dollar Tree as well. I printed out some letters with my Cricut and some ribbon and some hot glue. That's it. That's all we need. Let's get started with this project. Okay guys, so I started out by cutting a piece of the wood that I bought at Dollar Tree. I cut it to a little bit larger than half the size, and I'm going to use this pretty orange paint that I had, and I'm going to paint that piece of wood, and I'm going to put it to dry. Next, I'm going to take the floral foam, which is like a little cone. I bought that precisely because I wanted it to be a round piece, and I'm going to cut off about 1 inch of a piece, and I am going to hot glue that to the center of the bicycle wheel wreath form. And the foam is really secure to the center. Now I'm going to start working with the craft sticks. I am going to put hot glue and put craft sticks all around the pieces that go to the center of the wreath form. And that's it, I'm all done with that. Next, I'm gonna work with the flowers. I'm gonna start working with the bright orange flowers, and I am gonna cut those pieces off, and I'm gonna glue them all around the outside of the wreath form. I really like these flowers because they're just different, and I wanted it to be a little bit simple. Since it's this hot days of summer, I didn't want it to be overpowered with flowers. So these flowers really called my attention. So let's go ahead and glue these beautiful orange flowers all around the wreath form. that's how that looks. I really like the way that it came out. Next, I'm gonna start working with the letters that I printed from my Cricut. And I'm gonna use the little tool to just remove it and use the transfer tape to pull out the letters and stick them to the piece of wood that I painted previously. And there you have it, you guys. Summer fun. Don't those letters look beautiful? Now I'm going to start working with the yellow flowers. So I'm going to get my glue gun and cut the pieces to size because I want to glue a piece of each of these yellow flowers on top of the craft sticks. And I really like it. It's so simple but beautiful at the same time. I'm gonna get my metal flower. I decided to go with the orange one, and I'm gonna put plenty of glue in the center and glue it to the center of the floral foam that we placed in the middle of the wreath. Whatever you do, you guys, don't do what I did. I pressed down on the center of the flower and I really got burned. That was so hot. So remember to use something else to press down on the flower. Next, I'm gonna put the summer fun sign right under the metal flower, and I made this beautiful burlap bow. I wanted it to be really simple, and I used one of the wooden beads, which I painted in that bright orange color, the same as the wooden sign, and I'm going to place it right above the flower. So as you can see, you guys, I opted to put the hot glue on the flowers instead of behind the sign. I'm going to do the same with the bow. This way I know exactly that I put the glue where I need it and not all over the place like I have sometimes. Anyway, I also added a piece of burlap ribbon to the top so I could hang my wreath. But this pretty much completes my wreath. If you were going to go buy all the things you need to make this, it'd be only like $8 or $9. And so I hope that it inspires you to make your own summer wreath. I love that metal flower in the center, and like I said, I like that it's simple and not overpowered with flowers. Thank you so much for joining me, you guys. It means so much to know that you're watching and that you're enjoying my videos. I hope you all take care and that you'll be there for my next one. See you soon. Bye.